there has been a change of government, which we all know, and we are in our 9th month. Yes, we cannot tell anybody to choose NDC. We all have our political parties, but per our code of conduct for the assembly and the workers of the assembly, we don't do politics here. Keep your political parties. When you come here, you leave your political parties behind you. We are here to work. We are here to work for Ghana. We are resetting Ghana. Whether you buy into our agenda or not, you are here to work. And that is why you are being paid every month. We will not countenance on any attitude that sabotages this government. I've taken note of so many things. The lazy attitude towards work in this assembly. I don't want to say something here that these people will just carry it out. But my advice to you is that you have our support to work, and therefore we need a lot from you, because the reset agenda that we want to have, we need a lot of support from staff. I'm not happy about things that I've seen here. This is my second home. I completed Genjina Arusi, just a school opposite this assembly. And I will keep my eye here, because I'm not happy about things I've heard and things I'm seeing. This is the 3rd assembly that I'm visiting upon assumption of office as the regional minister. And I'm not so much impressed. Anybody who tries to sabotage any of the agendas that we have as a government, the system will eject that person. We will not do anything, but the system will eject you. So please, I'm urging all of you to bring out your best. We all need to develop this country. Keep your political party's affiliation somewhere and work. Very soon you will see so many development projects ongoing in this region. And I will not sit in Sunyane for somebody in Brekun West to sabotage any process that we want to activate. When that is done, then be rest assured that, as I've already said, the system is going to eject you. I want you to support the DCE to carry out his mandate. The mandate that has been given to him by His Excellency, the President of this country. Assist him to do that. I will be monitoring this assembly. I will be monitoring this assembly. Yes, I even have some classmates here in this assembly. I receive situational reports mentally from this assembly. And you are not doing well at all. The Brekun West Assembly is underperforming. Now we are going to take interest in your IGF. So those of you who generate IGF and put it into your pocket, we are going to monitor you. That money is not for you. We are going to check work attitude. Your attitude towards work. If you think that you are tired, you better resign. Other than that, you put in all your best. We have a 4-year mandate, and we are not going to waste time at all. I am personally going to implement certain systems in this assembly. I want change in this assembly. The lazy attitude must stop henceforth. It must stop. The sabotage must stop. Other than that, we will reset this assembly. And I can assure you, yes, we are resetting everywhere, but it depends on the attitude of each of you here. We will not do it like the previous government. We have a very big heart to accommodate everybody. But if you exhibit any attitude that seems to be sabotaging the system, then be rest assured that you will be out of the system. I've taken note of all your problems, which I'm going to resolve some of them immediately, and the rest, the system will resolve it for you. So I plead with you. I plead with you. Do your best. Support the Honorable DCE so that he can also achieve his mandate. We are not going to fail as a government, and we will also not allow anybody to fail us. Once again, we are not going to fail. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is not going to fail. And therefore, we will also not allow anybody to fail us. I believe that once I leave here, there will be changes. There will be changes because I will be coming here unannounced. I will be coming here. I will personally take interest in your activities. Be rest assured. Once I've said this, I will do it. Certain actions to correct the system. But I know that you are going to work and work hard so that whatever project that we want to do in this district will be successful. I thank you for receiving me, and I know that you are going to give your maximum support to the DCE to perform. And I know that by the time I come back here again, we will have a very successful story to say. Thank you very much for receiving me, and thank you